Alright now, see? Here is the T700. The wraparound curtains, the nice big dashboard, instrument panel, smart wheel, gauges, navigation, and basic center. The seats are nice and wide, and let's go to the back. Here is the passenger side compartments, the desk. Behind the computer, there's a place for a flat screen TV. Right there. Check this out. A refrigerator. Now we'll go back up. That's a window for the top bunk. Storage place. Oh, wait a minute. Up here is more storage. Yeah. Storage. Another window. More storage. Storage. And, ooh, you gotta check this out. This is actually a closet. And inside of here, way down there, is where you can put some shoes. Okay. And here's the stairs leading down. And like I said, 2 windows on the bottom also. And thank you.